One of our most popular segments every evening is the finest, i.e. the highest quality on a vintage coin. Problem is finding those coins where there's more than just one or two of something takes some time. The last time we had this one was 9 months ago, but it's a fun one. Let's go to it. You are looking at 1956, so 3/4 of a century ago, right in the middle of the Franklin half dollar series. In proof, they started in 1950 and they ended in 1963. This is 1956. Now you're noticing something? Proof 69. All the proof sets at this time in history were in that poly pack, which means there was no hard plastic like we see today. And as a result, nothing made 70. Nothing in the entire series. Now, also at this time in history, all of our proofs were made at the Philadelphia Mint. So on the Franklin, the mint mark location is below the E and the S at the top of the coin in the word States. This is Philadelphia, no mint mark. But you can see the beautiful mirrored backgrounds on this coin. So it's a 69. As the graphic says, it is the finest known. There is nothing finer than a 69. There are no 70s. Okay? They made 669,000 of these beauties in proof set form. But today, after 35 years of NGC doing what they do, and the only way they get paid is what? Putting coins in holders like this, right? There's only 2,129. Let me repeat that. 2,129 known this nice, which is a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a percent. Special coin. Now, one of my competitors had this up on the air recently. Are you ready for it? Great coin. I know a lot of people would have had considered it because it was a wonderful presentation they put out. They were at $575. So I would certainly hope they had a good presentation because you're paying $300 more than talking with us here this evening. $299.95. It's the lowest price on the planet. That is outright crazy. Now, if you want to make a comparison, the big silver dollar of today is the proof Silver Eagle, right? They've been doing that since '86. So 38 years and we're running hard. Great series. To find a coin that has this few, again, 2129 of this coin known to exist. To find a proof Silver Eagle that has, in fine grade, 69 or higher, 70 or higher, which is the perfection today, because this is the finest known. Let's just go with the 70. You have to go all the way back to 1994 to find a coin that is today, as of today, there's 2,008 of them known in 70, and it's a $3,000 coin if you can find it. So that was made in 1994, and it's a comparable rarity. And this one's made in 1956, and it's, well, 1/10 the price. All the rarity. Finding a 56 proof set, sending it in and getting a 69, way more difficult in the world today than finding a 1994 proof Silver Eagle that somebody set aside, and maybe you get the Holy Grail, you get lucky, the needle on a haystack, and you fall on it and you get a 70, right? That's how rare these are. Good question, Hunter. Let's go to the graphic, can we? Good. Somebody asked, what does that type 2 mean on the graphic and on the holder? Well, in 1956, there was one die that was out there, which is called type 1, where on the eagle, which is on the reverse of the coin, on the left-hand side, there were 4 feathers. That's why they call it type 1. And then all the other dies had only 3 feathers, which is what you see on the right. So type 2s are the differentiation between how many feathers on the eagle. Kind of like that 7/8 tail feather stuff with the Morgan Dollar series, but at the same time not, right? It's just the clarification of type 1 is 4, type 2 is 3. So I hope that helps. Now this graphic will come with your coin, by the way, when we send it to you. Good idea. Thank you, Hunter, for bringing that up. We want to be as concise and as informative as we can, and this one's all about it. I mean, the finest known. And it's a 3/4 of a century old coin. And it's under $300. Are any of the congratulations proof silver eagles under a couple $100? And they're since 2013, right? I told you had to go back to 1994 to find one that has this few known, and that's a $3,000 coin or more. So value, it's all about finding the right value. Guys, we got to put a 30-second clock up. I'm down to my last few pieces here. Single digits. If you're visiting us via the web, avccoins.com, thank you. Push it through. Lock it down. You're going to miss out, especially at the price. We will find this coin again. Full confidence. We hunt for this stuff all the time. But my competition was at $575 for the same coin recently. Like real recent. And tonight we're at $299.95. That is an outright steal. It's called the AVC way, and we want you to join us.